nakasumay. Ordered his meal to come up lunch. Sanay lang, he could not run. Cause lapo-lapo is very hard. In the battle began not long. All of us spurs of Christmas was a canon. Magellan was hell on his name. He stumbled down and cried and cried. Oh, mother, mother, I am sick. Call the doctor very quick. Doctor, doctor, shall I die? Please tell my mama, do not cry. Please tell my mama, do not cry. Tell my mama, do not cry.
Grabe, nakuha niya ba ng story bitaw. Kan, saan ganito, baptist man daw si Magellan. Baptist na sila pula po kayo, naman diri sa Philippines daan. Sabi niya siya naka-discover ba? Ipatay siya na pula po. Sila pula po kay Kanyon. Tapos ka Magellan kay Espada. Doon kay siya. Boom!
Kinsa man tong giigura og bato.
Something has changed within.
Napula po raman ata. Ikaw si Magellan na ikot ka ng kanon.
Wala nang takot cause I know kaya kong
Ingon
basa.
sila pula po na mauli. Kaya para walay away na. Gahit mag-ulo si Magellan kay siya lagi daw nakakita. Siya ay nasoko si kapula po. Dili ba ata tumamatay si Magellan?
Gawalan pa. Capital city, that can bring from the other country. It reminds me of Quezon City. Kalokan pa sa'yo Makati, pare pinapasit sa putin, malabong na silbias, parang yakin. Ganda ng bata ni Kapari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte. Sabi na Cagayan Valley, pating province na yung Baguio City. Ay Baysina, ay Bavisaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Sumbalis, Bataan, Amrap, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, ang bike ng Marisol. Nakaluan sa Quezon